You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on logic jumps. A logic jump is a way for you to link specific answers of your participants to specific pages inside of your project. Basically, what this feature allows you to do is to create branching projects that follow different paths based on given answers by the audience. This feature works with multiple choice, image choice, and drop-down. Additionally, the button element can also be linked to different pages. One thing you have to make sure is that you only have one of these elements per page, as more will cause your logic jumps not to work properly, and you actually will not be able to activate this feature altogether. Let's see how this can work. By simply dragging and dropping, for example, the multiple choice element, on the right side, I will scroll down until I find click behavior. Within click behavior, I will select a logic jump, answers linked to specific pages. And here, as you can see, I can set each of the answers to jump to a different page. However, when I drag another multiple choice element into the project, you can see that suddenly logic jumps are no longer available. So if you see this in your project, this might be the issue that you're faced with. So let's take a look at a practical example. Here, as you can see, I have multiple products to choose from at the start of the project: marketing, sales, service, and custom bundle. If I click on the image choice element and scroll down, I can see that the click behavior is set to logic jumps, and each of these images is mapped to a different page. So if I would click on marketing, I would be taken to page 2, marketing. If I would click on sales, I would be taken to page 5 for sales. What you could also do is send your audience to the start of your project. So for example, here, your audience members might not be happy with the answers that they provided. So what you could do is scroll down, again, have click behavior set to logic jumps, and you could click on restart and jump to the first page. If you choose to send your participant to the start of the project, this logic jump deletes all collected answers up until that point, and the participant starts fresh. Lastly, if you are in an answer-based outcome project, you're able to force an outcome. Simply by clicking on your element, navigating to jump to page, you are able to force an outcome by taking your audience to one of the outcome pages directly. And I'll also briefly show you how this works. So if I would click on sales, as you can see, I am directly taken to page 5, sales. And just like that, you're now able to use logic jumps within Involve Me. For more support, go to help.involve.me, and good luck getting involved.